Hi, today I'm for this new OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings and tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher and we can see now all the available networks. For example, let's use the first one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see the password, we should click to this eye icon to have no some mistakes. Now let's enter the password to this network. Just click to OK on the right upper corner, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, we can select here more networks, enter the passwords and connect to them, and after that you just will have possibility to change these networks. For example, when you have slow internet connection with this network, you can change it to another one. If you want to turn out the Wi-Fi, you just should click here on the Wi-Fi icon and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and here on the left upper corner of the panel you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Click on the icon once to activate it. To turn it off, we should click on the Wi-Fi icon once again, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings you should hold for a while this icon, and now by the same way we can use all of these Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.